We are at the site of Western Fairfax Christian Ministries where their food pantry is, and they are doing a food drive for the community. And they have tons of volunteers here, different faith communities, youth are helping volunteer and passing out boxes of food and pies and other things to support our families.
We have such a generous community here in the Sully District that during Thanksgiving and right before the holidays, local congregations, organizations, and businesses donate all of this food and funds for the fresh food so that their neighbors who otherwise would not have such abundant food for the holidays as well as the school breaks will have it.
It is so important that the community gets served because we know there's a lot of need in the community. There's a lot of people that are food insecure, and this brings people together to provide that support for them. So it's really a real community effort that we all come together as one Fairfax.
We always welcome community members to get involved volunteering, not just at events like this, but on a regular basis. We also welcome donations of food and toiletries, as well as monetary donations, so that we can provide rental assistance and utility assistance and food for our neighbors.
If you can reach out to my office, we can direct you to different organizations that you can help support, or reach out directly to Western Fairfax Christian Ministries. They're always looking for volunteers to help in the food pantry and with the community.